A perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg has no gray on the yellow part of the egg. It should be nice yellow all the way through. The gray is sulfur, and when you overcook your egg, that gray is sulfur, which creates a bad flavor and a bad odor. So make sure that you cook your hard-boiled eggs correctly. It's key, especially for egg salad. Egg salad sandwich, Japanese style, and I'm also taking it one more level above, and we're gonna make it a BLT egg salad sandwich. So for our ingredients, here's what we've got. This is authentic Japanese white bread that I picked up at the Japanese market. The Kewpie mayo is also a Japanese mayonnaise. It's a little bit creamier and a little bit sweeter than our mayo. Sliced tomato, green onion, butter and dried herb for the toasting of the bread, hard-boiled egg, green leafy lettuce, and bacon. I will put the link to my hard-boiled egg video. It's the very first video I ever did on YouTube, so bear with me, just in case you have any questions on how to cook a hard-boiled egg correctly. First, take your eggs. I use a fork. We're just gonna smash them all down. We're gonna add the mayo. Less is more. Don't add too much at the beginning. You don't want this sopping. Green onions. And then I'm gonna hit this with salt and pepper. All right, pepper. Now we're gonna mix. And I may add more mayo. You want this perfect consistency. You want it nice and creamy. But again, as it sits, the mayo is gonna come out more. Things are gonna get more wet. So be careful adding too much at the beginning. A little bit more. That's perfect consistency right there. Taste for salt and pepper. If you need more, add it now. Now for my signature move, I love to toast the bread with some butter and herbs. Let's go. All right, butter down. Let that butter melt completely. Sprinkle some herbs. One piece, the next piece. And we're gonna just do one side. We only have to do one side. Turn this heat down. We don't want our bread to burn. We just want to get that nice golden brown and toasty look. Everything's set, ready to go. In Japan, they usually cut off the crust of the bread, so we will go ahead and we will cut the crust as well. Let's go ahead and build this sandwich. Japanese style egg salad sandwich, sexy.